Whew, my hunt for budget monitors just never seem to end. Every once in a while a new monitor pops up in the Indian market, and today also we have a brand new model to check out. So a lot of people keep looking to buy budget gaming monitors around 15,000 rupees, right? If you are also looking for something like that, you people came to the right video. We have a new monitor from AOC. The model is G2 series guys, 24 GTU, and packs some pretty interesting features at an affordable price tag. First of all, it's a 24 inches 1080p gaming monitor and has like 144Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and not only that, it also has like AMD FreeSync premium support as well. And this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. It comes in this sort of box packaging. Look at this. We have the AOC branding at the top, a picture of the product on the front, and also mentions the model number over here. So main highlight of this particular model is a lot of budget monitors usually have like TN or VA panel, right? But this particular model comes with an IPS panel. That too, the brand says that delta E value of this panel is less than 2. So from the factory, it's like very well color accurate and calibrated, guys. So that is something I'm really looking forward to around this budget. Let's see how it performs. As soon as you open it, we've got some accessories over here. You get a monitor stand, pretty good design. Look at this. You also get some free cables as well. There's a free HDMI cable, display port cable, and a mains cord. And that is it. Look at this. This is your monitor stand. Oh wow, quite funky looking design, right? Full black sort of theme with red accents here and there, and VESA mount on the stand as well. And lastly boys, here's our brand new monitor from AOC, their G2 series 24 GTU gaming monitor, 24 inches gaming monitor, and looks quite attractive from our initial impressions. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the monitor and be right back to continue the video. So boys, I'm back to continue the video. Installation of the monitor stand was very simple. It has like a VESA sort of bracket at the backside. Plug and play sort of mechanism, guys. Just simply clip it on at the backside and there you go, you're all done. And as you can see, our monitor is all set up and good to go as my third monitor in my setup right now. And I've been using it for quite some time. There are a lot of things I'll be talking about, guys, different aspects. So make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this model. A lot of pros and cons I'll be talking about. So first of all, why don't we like talk about the design and the build quality part. So AOC's 24 GTU monitor is a 1080p gaming level monitor, and here's how the front profile looks like. And let me tell you, initial impressions, monitor looks quite beautiful, guys. I was actually not expecting this for this price point. It has a beautiful black and red sort of design and has these red streaks at the backside, guys, that definitely give it a gaming sort of vibe. And if you talk about the build quality is actually pretty good, man. So this is the first time I'm actually reviewing a monitor from AOC brand. Now AOC is not a new brand, guys. They've been making monitors since ages, but this is the first time I am actually reviewing one of their products, and the brand did not disappoint my expectations. So the first thing that you'll notice as soon as you have a look at the monitor is those bezels on the front. Bezels on this monitor are very slim, guys, like ultra slim I would say, on top 3 sides, and gives a beautiful overall look to the monitor. On the bottom you do have a bit of chin, guys, that is unavoidable. At the center you have the AOC branding, and to the right is where you got all your buttons and controls for the monitor. Now I do have to mention, buttons on this monitor were a bit hard to press and access. I wish it had like a joystick to easily navigate to the OSD menu. So you've got like 5 buttons, a tiny status LED indicator on the right, followed by a power button. There's a menu button, up and down navigation button is also there, and lastly a game mode setting is also available. So that's it, these are all the available buttons on it. And here's how the back profile of the monitor looks like, guys. Love these red accents here and there. Look at those streaks on the left and right, guys. Full on gaming sort of vibe you're getting on this monitor. You've got the AOC branding at the top, and the stand also is like pretty nicely shaped over here. You do have a cable management slot also on the bottom, and look at that V-shaped stand as well. Offers a good grip no matter on what sort of surface you place it in. Let me give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this thing. There's a mains cord, power adapter is built into the monitor. You get a headphone jack available, VGA port, I don't know who uses this in 2023. You get 1 display port and 2 HDMI ports available, and lots of USB ports. There's a type B port to use it as a hub and connect a lot of peripherals. 3 USB 3.0 ports and 1 super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 port is also available. And talking about the adjustability, monitor is fully adjustable. You can adjust the height of this thing, tilt, pan, swivel, all of these functions are possible. So keeping all that aside, let's come to the main part, guys. How's the display quality on this monitor? So first let me tell you about the panel. It comes with a 23.8 inches 1080p resolution, 144Hz high refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time display, guys, and display quality is pretty good over here. So usually now when you're in the market looking for a budget gaming monitor around 15,000 rupees, you will mostly find models with like TN panels or VA panels, but that is not the case over here. AOC is offering an IPS panel for the same price, and IPS makes a big difference. So for gaming, right, you can use any of these panels. Even VA, TN panels will also get your job done. But if you're like a professional content creator and you also edit videos, or maybe you do a bit of color corrections, creative sort of applications, there those panels will not work, guys. You'll obviously need something like an IPS panel. So this is like an all-rounder panel, guys. It will get both your gaming needs and creative sort of application needs covered as well. And let me tell you, the IPS panel quality on this thing is actually quite impressive. I was not expecting that over here. First of all, let's talk about the detail. It's a 1080p resolution panel, right? And at that 24 inches size, there's good amount of detail no matter what sort of content you're watching. I've played like a couple of different media like web series, movies, YouTube videos, and gaming also, and was like quite happy and satisfied with the detail over here, guys. Crisp and clear text you will see on websites as well. And coming to the colors, as I've told you, you're getting an IPS level panel with up to 126% sRGB color gamut range coverage and also 101% DCI-P3 color gamut support. And let me tell you, this means that it's like great for creative sort of applications. Colors were like quite accurate, guys, and out of the box factory color calibration is also pretty good. The brand says that delta E value is less than 2, which means for this price point it produces like pretty accurate looking colors out of the box. I didn't need to do anything to this monitor, guys. I mean, look at those colors, reds, blues and greens. They just pop out on the screen, guys. You'll be like very happy and satisfied with the color volume and color accuracy on the panel. And talking about the contrast, it has around like 1000:1 contrast ratio. Now you people know, right, IPS panels are not that great for like contrast. So contrast was like mediocre, I would say, and black uniformity, black levels are also like TK for this price point. Brightness was also pretty good and satisfactory, almost 250 to 60 nits, which is like more than enough for your day-to-day sort of usage. And talking about viewing angles, IPS panel, so obviously you'll get like 178 degrees of wide viewing angles, and picture look the same no matter from which angle you were looking at. And now comes the main part, guys, like how is the gaming performance on this thing. And let me tell you, for this price point, the monitor is offering you a very high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and also up to like 1 millisecond ultra fast response time, and also supports AMD's FreeSync premium technology. That means you're getting both LFC and also low latency on board. What? Are you kidding me at this price point? You people know, right, high refresh rate and low response times are like quite essential for a smooth gaming experience. And not only that, they also minimize the motion blur and keep the ghosting effects as low as possible. By the way, I've told you the response time, right? It's around 1 millisecond, but that is MPRT. I found the G2G to be around 5 to 5.5 milliseconds. Do keep that in mind. Just check out these gameplay shots, you'll get an idea on the picture quality. Now get a look at that. Gameplay feels buttery smooth, right? I've played like a couple of games on it and was quite satisfied with the experience. 144Hz की बात ही अलग है, guys. Especially if you're coming from a simple 60Hz display, right? Everything feels so damn smooth here, including mouse movements also. And wait a second, I didn't tell you about the speakers, right? Monitor actually has built-in speakers, but to be honest, I've used them and speakers were not that great, guys. Not up to the mark. Clarity and detail was fine, but the output was very less, I felt. Would advise you to get some external speakers instead. So that is it, our video on AOC's all new 24-inch 1080p 144Hz budget gaming monitor. It's a great monitor around this price point. All credits to that beautiful IPS panel. You might see a lot of 144Hz TN VA monitors in the market, even around like 12,000-13,000 rupees, but none of them come close to this IPS model monitor. Great for both content creators and gamers as well. Baat kare cons ki, only a few things I felt were G-Sync support was missing, contrast contrast levels could have been slightly better over here. And lastly, as I've told you, I wasn't satisfied with the onboard speakers. The product costs around like 15 to 16,000 rupees in the Indian market. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.